Hi, and welcome back to another Blender modifier little mini series. So this time we're going to go with the Boolean modifier, and this just gives different types of Boolean operations. So difference, union, intersection. Let's go with difference first, right? So you can see what's actually going on is we selected this object and we gave a Boolean modifier to it, and then we also created this object, made it small, and then made them intersect here. Now let's see, go to the x-ray, and you can see that if we were to apply this, we would create a difference. So if we put apply here, and then get this object out of the way, because it doesn't disappear. This is the object that's used as reference for the operation. So the x-ray out, so you can see that with the operation, whatever this was intersecting with this just went away here from the original object. All right, Control C. All right, there we are. Now let's do union. Oh, sorry. So for any of these, you select operand type object, and then go to object here, and then select the object that's interacting with your other object for this to actually work. You can pick between fast and exact. Fast, just its overlap threshold. That means that whatever happens here, it has a it's a tolerance to like how badly it's going to be or not. And let's see, exact and hold tolerance, just other ways to make these Boolean operations a little better. Because sometimes I think, let's say you have a square and you want to make a hole in it, that hole, once it's taken out from that square, and you look at the geometry of that square, it's not really decent geometry or topology, so you have to go and fix that. And these operations here, the solve options and stuff, help so take that into account. All right, let's go to union and x-ray mode again, and that just means these two objects are joined together. So apply, then we're going to take our little square, and that's it. So now we have our original object with that square together combined. So, and I guess, sorry I'm saying I guess all the time. Before, this was really tricky in like before 2.8, but with all these updates, it's really decent. So lucky us. All right, now let's go with the intersection, and as you can see, the intersection between these two parts just creates this little square part right here. So when we apply it and we take out our other square, our original object is just the difference between these two, and all we get is this. And this can be really helpful if, like, again, I say square and circles, and let me show you. So Shift D, oh sorry, let's go take this object, and we're gonna SY and then SC. We're gonna create a wall, and then we're gonna take this and put R180. Actually no, Shift A, we're gonna create a cube here, and then put it right here. All right, actually 3. And we're gonna add a modifier to this one and make an array, and just like that, but we're doing it in the y-axis. All right, and then we're also gonna do the same thing with Shift A, mesh, cylinder, and then R90. Oh, sorry. RY90. And then we're going to bring it over here and add a modifier to this to array. Oh, we're going with Y, sorry. Okay, increase that. And we're going to join these two as one. Oh, let's apply these first. Object, join. All right, so now this will be the object of our intersection or interaction. So this is the original object we want, and this is, we're going to add a Boolean, and we're going to do a, let's see, difference. So no, actually, yeah, difference, and choose our object. And then we're going to do X-ray mode, and you can see everything cut out. Now let's add that apply and take these out, and you can see how easy and nice and clean this is. Though once you press edit mode and go to take that out, you see there's some weird geometry here that's happening, and that's kind of what I mean with the Boolean modifier here needing some extra solver options, whether it's fast or exact, to fix all of that. But it's pretty good overall. Just hopefully that helps, and yeah, till the next time.